Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Cricketer. My name is Kerri. Today I'm going to show you how to create personalized thank you stickers using customizable sticker templates from Canva and Cricut's print and cut feature. I recently launched my new laser engraving business on Etsy and I'm so excited because I've already gotten a few orders in the first day. Before I send out my orders, I wanted to create these thank you stickers to place on the packaging to show my gratitude. These stickers are perfect for adding a special touch to your small business or Etsy orders. Before we move over to Canva, let's talk about the materials you'll need to make these stickers. My favorite sticker paper is called Joyiza sticker paper. I bought it on Amazon and I'll leave a link to it in my video description. Next, you'll need a Cricut machine with print and cut compatibility, so any of their machines except for the Cricut Joy. I'll be using my Cricut Maker. You'll also need an inkjet printer and a light or standard grip mat. Now let's head over to Canva where we'll find tons of customizable sticker templates. You can choose from various designs, styles, and sizes. For this tutorial, I'll be selecting a simple thank you sticker design. Making stickers using Canva and Cricut is so incredibly easy. You're going to be blown away at how fast I can do this. First, type in canva.com and it will bring you to this home screen. Then in this little search bar right here, type in thank you stickers. Then click enter. And from here you can see that Canva has so many different sticker templates that you can customize. Some of these sticker templates have a little crown next to them. That means they're part of the paid version. And then other ones don't have the crown and those ones are free to use. Of course, the ones that have the crowns are a little bit nicer, but you can still find plenty of free ones like this that look great. For my stickers, I want to use this template right here. So all you have to do is click on it and click customize this template. If you want to upload your own logo here, you can go to uploads, upload files, and then select your logo from the computer. I don't want to put my logo, so I'm going to delete this, and I want to put made with love at the top. So I'm going to go over here to elements and type in made with love. Then you can click see all, and there's all kinds of options for made with love. I'm going to use this one right here, move it up here. The best thing about Canva is how everything is customizable. So if I don't want this dark gray color, I can just change it to black. I think this looks perfect. There's nothing else that I want to change, so now I'm going to download it. If you go over to the top right corner, you'll see share, and then you can click download. I would download it as a PNG. If you have the paid version, you can download it with the transparent background, which just saves you an extra step in design space of having to remove the background. If you don't have the paid version, you can just download it as a PNG and remove the background in design space. Since I'm assuming most of you watching this tutorial don't have the paid version, I'll just do it as a regular PNG and then click download. Then open the file, right click, and save it. Now we're going to move over to Cricut Design Space and upload this file. Click Upload, Upload Image, Browse, select your file and click Open. Click Complex, Continue, and this is where you need to remove the background, so just click this gray space and then Apply and Continue. You want to save it as a print and cut image and click Upload. Select your file and click Add to Canvas. Now you need to resize your sticker. I want my sticker to be 2 inches, so I'm just going to click 2 and enter right here at the top. And now I need to duplicate it to get as many stickers as I want. I already know that I can fit 12 2-inch stickers on a sheet of sticker paper, so I'm going to copy and paste this 12 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then we can go over and click Make It. Click Continue, Send to Printer, select your printer here. I'm going to be using my HP OfficeJet 7630. You have to use an inkjet printer, not a sublimation printer. Then turn the system dialog on and click Print. This little system dialog button brings up this pop-up menu where you can go to preferences, and this is where I change my paper type to photo paper, which makes my print quality the best. This one little step right here makes such a big difference in making sure that you get the best print quality. When you do this, it makes it so your stickers won't come out grainy and the quality will be really good. Before you click OK, you want to load your sticker paper into your printer. With my printer, you load the sticker paper with the side that you want it printed on facing down. But this is different for some printers. Your printer might be the opposite, where you load the paper in printable side up. After you load your sticker paper into your printer, you can click OK and then print. So I'm going to slide it into my printer with the printable side facing down. These look perfect. Now we need to change our material in Cricut Design Space. So go to Browse All Materials. You have to figure out if you want your stickers to be kiss cut or die cut. Die cut is when the machine cuts out the entire sticker and you would basically store them in like a Ziploc bag. If you want them kiss cut, it's where it's still attached to the backing and you can just peel it off the backing. I want my stickers to be kiss cut, so I'm going to be using the washi setting. So go to Search All Materials and type in washi and then select washi sheet and done. Place your sticker sheet in the upper left-hand corner of your mat. Slide it under the two tabs and click the blinking double arrow to load your mat. Then click the blinking Cricut button to begin the cut. Click the blinking double arrow to unload your mat. And now our stickers are ready to use. Now I'm going to take my ornament, carefully wrap it inside this little piece of bubble wrap, and then take a sticker. Now I'm just going to add a little thank you note inside, seal it up, and ship it off. I already printed my shipping label using my Bluetooth thermal printer. If you want to learn more about how to print shipping labels using a thermal printer, I have a tutorial on my YouTube channel. I'll leave a card above where you can see how to do that. I'll also leave a link in my video description where you can find that video. If you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate it if you hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.